Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can add expense in Xero. If you're new here, don't worry, I will break it down step by step. So first go to Business tab, then scroll down and click on Expense Claim. Now you'll need to set up your expense, but don't stress. Just follow the on-screen instruction. Click on that account you want to expense to. In my case, I choose Other Expense. Once that's done, you can start creating your own expense. You will see the button, just click through the instruction. And now click the new expense, select expense claim. Let's say I had shopping of $40. Shopping and shopping. And under account, select this. You can also assign this to a project or customer, but I will skip that. And if you got a receipt, you just upload that, snap a picture on your phone and add that. Then hit approve. Once approved, you will see your expense will be created and it will show up in the to be paid section. And I hope this video was helpful, and that's how you add your expense. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe.